The battery pool connector system from Shenzhen Guchen Electronic consists of pairs of cable connectors and the panel mount connectors with silver-plated red copper contacts. They include polarity reversal protection and are fully touch-proof for operator safety. Guchen Electronic pluggable battery pool connectors are color-coded and mechanically keyed to prevent cross-wiring and can be simply plugged into the touch-protected sockets, where they click into place and lock into position. If you make it wrong, it cannot be plugged in, and if you make it right, it can be plugged in easily. It's very easy to install. Firstly, plug in, then retold to lock. And it's very easy to remove. Firstly, rotate to unlock. Then push this button and then pull. Further simplifying and speeding installation, the connectors can be rotated up to 360 degrees as needed. Guchen IP67 waterproof rated battery connector provides protection from dust ingress and against the low-pressure water jets from any direction, plus protection from condensation and water spray. Thank you.